This is what happens when Pear Pear doesn't want to share her mommy. Butters. Can I play with Butters? Drop it. Drop it. Bring me your toy. Come here, Butters. Come here. I'm just playing with him. Come here, Butters. Hey, tell him it's your mommy. Drop it. Drop it. It's okay. Where's Mocha? Where's Mocha? Can Mocha play? Come here, Butters. Come here. Uh-oh. Hold on. Mocha, be nice. I think she's letting him play. You want that toy? You want your toy? What is it? That's Mommy's baby. Just her mommy, Butters.